Welcome to the tutorial series on the MetaTrader 5 Toolkit by Scope Markets. In this tutorial, the focus will be on the terminal window. Starting at the very top of the platform, the toolbar provides quick access to the most important tools and functions. This is where traders can open a new chart, place a new order. It is also where charts can be adjusted by changing or switching between time frames, and where drawing tools are located for technical analysis. The toolbar is built to make frequently used features accessible in just a click. On the right-hand side of the screen is the Market Watch window. This displays all of the available trading instruments along with their prices, allowing traders to keep an eye on market movements at Scope Markets. Directly below the Market Watch is the Navigator window. The Navigator makes account management and customization easier. Traders can switch between accounts if they have more than one, and can also add or remove indicators, apply expert advisors, and access other platform features. At the bottom of the platform is the Trade Terminal. As the name suggests, this section brings together everything related to trade activity. It provides an overview of open trades, previously closed trades, and important account details such as balance, equity, and free margin. It also contains the history of trades placed on the account, displays news updates, and includes a mailbox for broker messages. The center of the platform is dedicated to charting. In this example, 4 charts are displayed, but any chart can be maximized to take up the full screen simply by selecting it and using the Maximize button. Switching between charts is easy with the tabs positioned just above the Trade Terminal, and any chart can be minimized again by clicking the button at the top right corner. This keeps all charts organized in the middle area. This overview covers the main sections of the MetaTrader 5 desktop platform and the tools traders will use most often.